What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Umami Hunter. I'm Zach, and we are back in the kitchen today. And I'm cooking up one of my favorite Chinese dishes of all time, Chinese roast pork, also known as 𝐒𝐿𝐽𝐽. Today's recipe is relatively easy in my opinion. Now, I don't know about you all, but when I have pork belly, I love to have that skin. There's nothing like that crunch, the crisp, that crackling feeling. Oh man, it's so delicious. This is why I love this recipe. It's very straightforward, and best of all, you can make it in the air fryer, which I'm going to be doing today. First things first, we need to tenderize this pork belly, and no better way to do it than Kung Fu style with the tools of the trade, hands. Just kidding. I'm just playing. You don't need to tenderize the pork belly. First thing I want to do is cut the pork belly in half because the air fryer is only so big, so I'm going to need to cut it in half to fit it in there properly. And also I'm going to be putting it into a pot, boil out the impurities. Let us see what the results are. Holy pork rinds, that looks good. Oh my goodness. Look at how crunchy and crispy that is. Ooh. How's it smell? Tasty? Yeah? Silly girl. Crispy skin, juicy meat. Wow. Just have simple long grain jasmine rice and this beautiful roast pork. Look at that skin. I can't get over how crunchy and juicy it looks. Oh my goodness. The roast pork came out perfect. What you want to do is take that 𝐼𝐻𝐻𝐿𝐼𝐻𝐻. The 𝐼𝐻𝐻𝐿𝐼𝐻𝐻 is the fermented tofu. 1 square each side, so each side was about 1.5 pounds roughly. And you want to rub it on, followed by the Chinese 5-spice, and leave it in the fridge overnight. About 24 hours, that meat will taste so much better. I am doing this on the fly today, so I didn't have the luxury of doing it overnight, but I'm sure it's gonna still taste fantastic. But that's the pro tip. This is looking so good. I've made this quite a few times, and it always comes out extremely juicy. Look at that. Look at that skin. Oh man. I'll start meat side first. Oh. Oh. Yeah. That flavor is so good. The meat from the parboil, the blanch, that really tenderized the meat. It's soft, yet has a slight little chewiness to it, but it is soft and tender. It is so good. Let's grab a piece of the skin. This is the main attraction. see how crunchy I got it. Can you hear that? Oh man. That's so good. That's so perfect. That crunch is insanely perfect. It's between a fatty, juicy pork. It's like a fatty, juicy 𝐒𝐮𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐚 pork rind. Oh my gosh. Let's go meat and the pork. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. You hear that crunch? That is just so much juicy, fatty flavor. That skin is the star of the show though. Wow. The fermented tofu and the 5 spices really coming out.
You good, Dada?
Am I good? Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. What do you say?
Are you good?
Am I good? Oh, I'm enjoying myself, yeah. It's delicious, huh?
How you have this?
Oh, I'm filming.
How you doing?
I'm filming. As you're cooking the pork, you have to periodically check on the roast pork just to make sure that the skin part is not burning, because air fryers vary brand to brand, and some might run a lot higher than others and some might run a little bit lower, so you don't want to burn it and you don't want it underdone because you're gonna have rubbery skin. If the big bad wolf ever got a hold of those little pigs, maybe he would have made this. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And I'm going to be going to a lot more of my favorite places and some new places in the upcoming weeks. If you want to join me on those buying grubs, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Till then, cheers, and I'll see you next time.